What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Techno Warriors TV. My name is Nick Bartell, the editor-in-chief for Techno Warriors TV, and it's time for another video unboxing. Today, we're going to unbox something special, and before I want to start, I want to give a massive shout out to Carson from Wicked Audio for sending this out to review on the show for you guys today. This is the Wicked Audio Sphere unboxing video. So, right off the bat, as you can see, we have some really gorgeous stuff here. I'm like, what is this? Okay, here's the deal. Wicked Audio did something really unique here. They combined true wireless earbuds and a Bluetooth speaker into one. So one of these guys, I think it has an 8-hour battery. Okay, so speaker battery is 1100 milliamps, up to 10 hours, 32 feet, Bluetooth 4.2, 80 decibels, 32 neodymium. Holy crap. I'm excited to see what this guy's made out of. Now also, as you can see, true wireless, waterproof, IP67 earbuds, IP65 speaker. This is the Sphere. Easy pairing, true wireless earbuds and Bluetooth speaker. Who says you can't have all? Yeah. And if you look, yeah, that is really cool. On the back, you can see more things about it. Okay. Angled housing, enhanced bass, volume control, high fidelity, hands-free, triple battery protection, noise isolation, rechargeable charging case, easy pairing, true wireless, and all that fun, good stuff. Alright, so I'm going to shut my trap. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. Inside of here, as you can see here, we have a couple instructions. So, we have Sphere buds, remove buds from charging case. Buds automatically turn on and sync together, easy pairing. Find Wicked Sphere buds in your Bluetooth menu and select it, rock out. Now, press center button on speaker, find Wicked Sphere speaker in your Bluetooth menu and select it and rock out. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2-in-1. So, as you can see right here, this is going to be something really gnarly. On top, we have the buds themselves, which we'll punch out of the hole right here. One bud. And here's the other bud. And they actually feel more robust, too. Okay. Inside this little pouch, we get a micro USB charging cable. We get some, we can get more stuff. Holy crap. Let's go and open this. Okay. Ah. Okay, so in here, I'm going to spill them out here. And one of the tips is trying to run away from me. Oh, what is that? Is that like a little thing you can attach? That is. Nice work, Wicked Audio. Nice work. Except your little friends like to run away from me. Oh well. That's just the ear tips you get. Okay. And then this. Alright, so this right here, ladies and gentlemen, we got more stuff to move out of the way. Under here is just a manual, a Wicked Audio manual containing all your stuff for the headphones, well, not the headphones, the earbuds and the speaker themselves. Wow, all this stuff. It's like, where is everything? Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, as you can see right here, this is where your micro USB port is housed. Now, the flap is really nice, okay? And the cool thing is, it's kind of a little trigger thing, you can hook this. Oh my goodness, they really improved it. Okay, so here is where your earbuds are going to go. Like, yeah, this is where your earbuds are going to go inside. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, you know what to do. Okay, I think I do it this way. They really don't want you to open these. There we go. That is so much better. So it will still come undone, but if you want to lock it, use the locking mechanism as it keeps it locked. Nice job, Wicked Audio. So I'm going to keep that in there so they don't get lost. Okay. That is really good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, you know what to do. Strangle that subscribe button, slap it in the face, and pow! Right in the